I wouldn't go too far to that table.
Off.
Yep, yep. So work past that way.
I was just trying to get her to slow down.
Yeah.
She sort of came in.
Thinking she's going to that door.
Yeah. Well, that too, yeah.
Yes.
Good girl.
Oh, woohoo! Yay!
Good girl.
Awesome.
All right. Oh, there's one.
Nom 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 nom.
There's one. All right. Let's get some of these into the actual space. Come here. Yes, good girl. Yes, good job. Where else? Oh, still more.
I don't know if those are hot. What I don't know what those are. Are those?
Not ours.
Oh. Good side stay.
Right.
Yep.
Come on, come on, come on.
Find it. Go find it.
Where is it? There was a CAT over there earlier.
Ah. Yes.
Yes, good girl. Good job. Yes, good girl. Yes, very good. One more. Little one. All right. 2. Where else?
Go stay in that area.
This is going to be an issue.
Okay.
Where is
So you could just skip this one if you want. It's in the fencing. Or come back to the broom.
Good girl. Yes. Good job. Good job.
You just come back to the broom.
Let's go. Good girl. Where else?
Oh, I would treat her for that one.
Okay. Yes.
Good girl.
Good job. Okay. Where else?
Okay, so there's 2 in the entrance, or 2 in the in the straightaway, I guess. Oh yeah, good girl.
Yes, good
She's
job.
like, that was a good one. That was really good.
Yes, good job.
We liked this one.
It's on the left side or the right side of that thing?
The left, where she was
Okay.
at. So now down this way. Where is it? Good. You don't need to go further than that. Good. So, and then, so don't go further than here. So there's something between the table and me.
Where is it?
So don't go further, yeah. Because she gets distracted when she gets further than that.
Yeah.
So now you need to move to the sides. And then basically do that same circle again, but get much more closer to sides. It's not over here, it's the other bench down there by the drinking fountain. So don't pass here. Right now she's not going to be an odor. It's by the drinking fountain. You gotta get further down. There you go. That's where the odor's at. Now wait, 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 wait. She's gonna get distracted. There you go. And that's where you lose it. There it is. Have a good night. You can get this one over here. So it's in this barbecue area. So yeah, don't go past that. Hold, 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 hold. Then she gets sucked to that one, right? There you go. So you gotta kind of work into the corners and the sides a little bit more. There you go. Good girl.
Where is it?
Right where she is, the wheel.